Hello children, very good morning. Welcome back to EVS class. How are you children? All are fit and fine? Okay. Sally Society's KKCBC School, Chikkodi. So children, in the yesterday's class we done revision. Is it? Writing revision, we done it. So, you had to practice it. Understood? So what I had given, so you had to practice this perfect. Okay, so like this only I will give you the exam also. Okay, so in the PT2 exam I will give like this pattern. You have to practice, be perfect. Understood? Okay, so in the today's class we'll do the reading revision. So what we will do today's class? Reading revision. Okay. Vegetables. Vegetables. So now read it. Vegetables. Potato. Carrot. Cabbage. Broccoli. Cauliflower. Onion, pumpkin, eggplant, spinach, beetroot. So these are what children? Vegetables. Okay? Yes. So once again we'll read it. Vegetables. Potato. Everyone has to repeat. Carrot, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, onion, pumpkin, eggplant, spinach, beetroot. Very good. So these are what? Vegetables. Okay. Yes, some more vegetables. Mint, lemon, coriander, ginger, chili, garlic. So these vegetables add flavor. Okay, flavor means taste. It will give this vegetable taste. Okay, flavor. So once again read it. Mint, lemon, coriander, ginger, chili, garlic. Yes. So these vegetables add flavor. So these vegetables give flavor. Okay. So next. Cucumber, radish, carrot, tomato, beetroot and cabbage. So these vegetables can be eaten raw. Okay. Okay, once again read it. So once again read. Mint, lemon, coriander, ginger, chili, garlic, cucumber, radish, carrot, tomato, beetroot, cabbage. So these are what? vegetables. Okay? Yes. Okay. So you have to read it. Understood? What vegetables? Okay? Okay. Next is a fruits. Yes. Fruits. Banana, pomegranate, orange, mango, pineapple. Yes. So these fruits we will eat before eating. Okay, we have to remove this fruit skin. Okay, we have to remove the skin and we have to eat. So before the eating, we will remove the skin. These fruits skin we will remove. Then we will eat. Is it? Yes. So which are the vegetables that? Banana, pomegranate, orange, mango and pineapple. Okay. So next is can be eaten with their skin. With the skin, which fruit we will eat? Which are the fruits that with the skin we will eat? Pear, strawberry, apple, grapes, guava, sapotilla. Pear, strawberry, apple, grapes, guava and sapodilla. So these are what? With the skin we will eat these fruits. Is it? Yes. So these all what? Banana, pomegranate, orange, mango, pineapple, pear, strawberry, apple, grapes, guava and sapodilla. So what these are? These are fruits. What these are? Fruits. Is it? Yes. Okay, very good. So once again we'll read it. Fruits. Banana, pomegranate, orange, mango, pineapple, pear, strawberry, apple, grapes, guava, sapodilla. Yes, very good children. So like this you have to practice fruits also. Okay. So next is flowers. So next is a what? Flowers. Okay. Flowers. Lotus, rose, marigold, sunflower, hibiscus, tulip, lily. Yes, so these are what? Flowers. Okay. So once again read it. Flowers. Flowers. Lotus, rose, marigold, sunflower, hibiscus, tulip, lily. Very good children. So like this you have to practice flowers names. Okay. Okay, some more flowers. Which are the some more flowers? So these are the some more flowers. Okay. Chrysanthemum, carnation, pansy, Dahlia, tuberose, jasmine. So these are the some more flowers. Okay. So once again read it. Some more flowers. Chrysanthemum, Coriacean, Pansy, Dahlia, tuberose, jasmine. Yes, very good. So these are what? Flowers. Okay. So this is also flowers and this is also flowers. Okay. So these are the some more flowers. So children, so flowers, vegetables and fruits, this all you have to read it. Okay. Reading is homework. What I thought in the today's class, no? You have to read it, practice, you have to do it, a reading practice. Understood? Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.